One of the most popular jawline trainer tools is a silicone ball called the Jawzrsize. So they claim the Jawzrsize ball creates up to 40 pounds of resistance to strengthen, tone, and tighten your face and neck muscles. Here's how to do it correctly. Position the Jawzrsize ball in your mouth between your teeth with the end labeled top positioned on your upper teeth. Now to find your initial personal record or your PR, slowly bite down and count each rep until you feel a slight burn in your jaw. Once you have your PR, start by performing 50 to 70% of that rep number per set. So for example, my PR is 50, therefore I would complete 25 to 35 reps per set. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between each set, repeating for 2 to 3 sets. So as you build strength, gradually add a few reps each week and retest your PR every few weeks to track your progress. And if you buy the set that I have, you can also move up to a stronger Jawzrsize ball. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes a day. Click like and subscribe for more exercise demonstration videos.